Let's discuss next category in low supervision product ideas for kids that require only paper, imagination, and these products are useful. And wait until you see my last idea. That is extremely fun and useful. Now let's start simple with a bookmark. Kids can create simple bookmarks. They cut papers into strips, decorate with colors, stickers, or drawings, add ribbon, and it's ready. Low cost, easy to make, and perfect for selling in bundles. What kids learn: creativity, design, and how to create something that people can actually use. Just level it up. Make a bookmark buddies. Now this stand out because now these are turning into characters. Add yarn hairs, googly eyes, make fun faces, and suddenly it's not just a bookmark, it's a bookmark buddy. The business level up idea would be: don't just sell one bookmark, sell a DIY kit. The basic kit might be like pre-cut bookmark, yarn, eyes, colors, and instructions. Deluxe kit might be like glitter glue, stickers, ribbon, names, name labels. Maybe you can make it theme kits. Kids can create themed kits, make them more exciting using unicorn, space, animal, or princess or superhero themed. Packaging could be done better, and the same product will sell for more value. Cute bags or boxes made by kids. Add some thank you notes. Extra touches of little details can help kid earn more. Add reward sticker. Include extra blank bookmark as an offer for name and customization. The next idea on this list is lunchbox notes. This one is small but powerful. Kids create little note cards with kind messages or drawings. Bundle them into packs and sell them as a daily surprises for kids or parents. What kids learn: empathy, communication, and emotional value. Next in this list is experience coupon. Now this is a different idea, as kids can create fun coupons like movie night, game time, hot cocoa date, or they can make extra story time, ice cream treat. Then they can bundle everything in a fun family pack or a weekend pack. But here's the smart twist, I would say. These cards can also be used as reward cards. When kids do something good or achieve some goal, these can be given by parents to their kids. Like if they finish their homework for all the week, or they practice something new, they showed kindness or responsibility. Instead of rewarding kids with more stuff, parents can reward them with experiences and time together. What kids learn from it: value isn't always something that you can touch. Experiences can also be equally valuable, and people will pay for meaningful moments and memories. They learn creativity, emotional value, goal setting, positive habits, and how experiences can become valuable products. Now let's discuss about my favorite product in this list is event planner kit. Yes, event planner. Think of birthdays, play dates, small parties. Kids can help plan it all. What goes inside this kit would be: kids create simple sections like guest list, who is coming, things to buy, decorations and supplies, food planners like cake, snacks, drinks, to-do list, what to prepare for the party, budget tracker, and even the event day checklist. Each page will have a simple visual and easy for kids and parents to use it. They can make it fun. They don't have to make it boring. They can make it exciting by using themed covers, birthday party, and playdate images. They can use colors, stickers, drawings, use icons for each section. They can make it even better by designing it once and selling it, making multiple copies. Create one and sell many times. Even better upsell idea would be: turn it into party planning kit. So they can add extra invitation card, thank you notes, decoration checklist, maybe small stickers packs. What kids learn from it: organizing and planning, thinking ahead, understanding customer needs, turning ideas into useful product. This isn't just a planner, it's a tool that helps people plan real moment. This is where the real value is. Whether it's product or an experience or a service, kids aren't just making things, they are learning how to think like a creator and a problem solver. Let's check the next category in next video. Stay tuned.